Hi everyone. In this particular video, we will learn about how to connect from your local system to the AWS S3, which is present within your AWS cloud. So we will learn about that. We will see a few of the AWS CLI commands, correct? We will see that how this AWS CLI commands will work, and we will interact through the AWS S3 service. We will create a few buckets. So we will be creating a bucket within the AWS S3 service. And then after creating the bucket, we will list down the objects, correct? And we will list, sorry, yeah, we will list objects, and then we will sync our local directory, which is present on our system, to the S3 bucket, so that whatever the file will be in our local directory, that will be synced to. Like, just suppose that this is a local directory, and this is our laptop, correct? And on this laptop, we have some directory named as S3 demo. So whatever the file will be within this S3 demo, that will be moved to the bucket, which will be here in AWS S3 service. So we will look onto those things. So we will do the sync kind of thing, correct? So we will interact with that. So first of all, to log in from your local system, we will have to go for the single sign-on, correct? So just suppose that I'm on here on my command prompt. So let me reopen it. Okay, CMD. So I'm here. I will move to desktop directory, and I will do AWS S3 LS. You will see that it will ask for the creating a particular profile. It's showing the red unable to locate credential. You can configure credential by running AWS configure. That means my local computer does not know that in which AWS account I have to log in which region I have to log in, and what's the AWS account ID, correct? So for that, I will have to do the AWS configure. I will have to create a profile here. So I'll be doing AWS configure test one. I will do, correct? Sorry, AWS configure and SSO. I have to test one will be the name of profile. Okay. SSO session name. So session name I will give as, oh, I don't have to create this test. Okay, let me go. Let me cut this. Again, I will open it. AWS configure demo one. Okay, fine. Oh, sorry, I will have to do AWS configure SSO. And the profile name will be, let's suppose I'm giving the profile name as Manish. What will be the SSO start URL, so that I will have to pick it from my AWS service. So this is my within my AWS account. This is personal account. In the IAM Identity Center, I can find out the start URL. So this is my SSO URL. I will be passing it here. Then the region, AP South 1. I have to log in into this. And the scope, SSO account access. And I have only, okay. Click on confirm and continue, allow access. That's it. So you can see that for that, like, to log in, we had the only privilege of administrator access. So I'm logged in through the administrator access, and I'll be passing the default region, that in which region I want to interact. So AP South 1, that is the Mumbai one, and in which format I want. So output format will be JSON. And what will be the profile name? So I'm giving the profile name as Manish only. Okay. So that's done. Now I have to interact through the AWS S3. And here I will have to pass the profile name as well. To the profile name, what I have created. So I have created profile name as Manish. So I did the AWS S3 ls -open profile Manish. So with the help of this profile, what I have created in the profile, I have passed the URL, I have passed the This is the AWS account ID, correct? I have passed the URL, I have passed the AWS account ID, and the role, like the administrator access will be the role in which region I have to interact. So I have passed all the details. So with the help of profile, it got the credential. If you saw that first error, that was unable to look at credentials. So now it has been logged in that AWS S3 service, and as there is no bucket in S3, so it didn't resulted into any bucket. If you see here, there is no S3 bucket, correct? Okay, let me sign in again, reload. I will have to log in, DevOps demo, S3, and you can see there is no bucket, correct? There is no bucket, correct? So that's why it didn't listed any of the bucket. Now we will be creating one bucket here, AWS S3 MB, and the name of the bucket will be Manish Demo 1. That I will pass as a bucket name. I will be able to pass the profile as well. I have not passed the profile, so it got failed. So I will have to pass the profile. So if you see the error, unable to locate credentials, correct? So I will have to pass the profile name as well. Example profile Manish. Make bucket and the bucket should be created. Manish demo one. So if you see on the console, if I refresh, there will be a bucket. Manish demo one. It has been created, correct? Either we can upload the file from here. In earlier videos, we have seen that I have uploaded files from the console itself. But if you don't want to upload from the console, so we can directly sync our directory to the this bucket, and it will upload all the files. Or we can list down one like we can upload one file at a one time, but we can sync our local directory as well. So just see that on my local system, there is a directly on the desktop S3 demo. If you see, this is the S3 demo. Okay. On the S3 demo, this is the directory, correct? So I will be copying this, and here I will do AWS S3 sync and the path, and then S3 colon and the bucket name. So what is the bucket name? It's Manish demo 1. So what will this command do? It will sync my local directory c user command.manish1 desktop S3 demo. So it will sync this S3 demo directory to the bucket manage demo one. So all the files which is in the S3 demo, like these 5 files, extra page, index, test file 1, 2, 3, it all will be uploaded to the S3 bucket. Okay, let me run the command. And as you can see, there is till now there is no objects here, but as soon as I run the command with the -hyphen file command as well, so it will upload all the files over here. So -hyphen file manage. Okay, so it should show the message. Yeah, upload, upload, upload. So it has uploaded desktop INI and all these 5 files. Let me go there, just refresh. You will see that all the 5 files have been uploaded. If I open this object, you will see the content. This is test file 1 for S3. So I have written the content test file 1 only in all these 3 files. Just the file name is changed. So you will see the test file 1 for S3, correct? So objects has been uploaded to this S3 object. Another command for this is the AWS S3 RM. You can remove your objects from the bucket. Sorry, S3. And what's the bucket name? Manish demo 1. And then you can use -hyphen recursive profile demo. So it will delete all the objects which is in the bucket. Okay. Firstly, it uploaded and then it will delete. So till now it was all uploaded. Now it should all be deleted. So this is how from the local system we can interact to our S3 service, and we can create bucket, we can upload bucket, or we can upload objects, we can delete bucket. So sorry, delete bucket, delete update. All these things can be performed from our local system, correct? Even we can delete this bucket as well. AWS S3 remove bucket S3 colon Manish demo 1 and hyphen profile Manish. So it should delete the bucket as well. Remove bucket, correct? So if you see, this bucket should be removed here. Buckets Manish demo 1. Let me get here. I will refresh. Bucket has been deleted. So this is how we can communicate with AWS S3 service from our local system. We can run the commands, we can write shell script, and in the shell script we can use it, this AWS commands, and we can upload a number of files from a single directory, or we can have the sync like in the sync we will run this AWS S3 sync, so that our S3 demo will be in the sync with the this bucket. And whenever we will upload any file in our local directory, that will, and we will run that command again, and it will sync the our S3 bucket with the files. So that kind of feature we can have with the help of this after creating the profile and running these AWS commands. So we can interact this way with our AWS S3 service. So that's it for today. We will connect again in the next video. That's it. Thank you.